today's video is an ultimate clean with me, and so I'm going to be cleaning out my car. I just got back home from the weekend and I went to go visit my parents. If you watched my home tour, you know that it was my brother's birthday and I spent that day, well, most of that day with him and most of the weekend with him. So we just had a really good time. We just went into his gravesite. We put some flowers down. We put a happy birthday balloon there. So it was just really nice to be with my parents during that time and my other family members. And I also just want to thank you guys. Y'all were just being so sweet to me, leaving those nice comments on my last video. So I really appreciate that.
I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 love. Mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight, 'cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Oh, don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted.
So it started pouring down raining, so I had to move my car inside my garage. So now I'm having to film inside my garage. So I'm so sorry that it's dark, but you know, when life throws you lemons, you just make lemonade.
I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
To my kitchen. My kitchen was a complete mess. I did not get to touch it the entire week because I just been so busy that week, and then I left to go out of town. I really hate having to leave my house when I don't have my dishes in the dishwasher. I try to always put my dishes, at least clean them and everything, but I just ran out of time. I didn't get a chance to do it before leaving to go out of town, so now I'm just taking the time to do it.
We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
So if you see me like looking up, I'm actually watching the Final Four. My family is a huge basketball like family. Actually, my little cousin, he actually beat Steph Curry's 3-point record. So I mean, we're all about some basketball. So if you see me like yelling at the TV, I don't really know if you'll probably see me doing it, but yeah, I am all into what's going on that TV. So I apologize for like pausing every once in a while to look at what's going on, but just know that I'm a huge basketball fan.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said.
So I have a hat for you guys. So my parents came down on Monday. I was actually in a music video, and it was a video that represented my brother. She had people who had lost a loved one, and so she had asked me like last or 2 months ago to be in this video. So they came down for the music video premiere, and while they were here, my mom made some lemonade, and so that's what you're gonna see in that container. And I actually pour the lemons down in my disposal, and I turn that on, and it makes it smell so good, guys. So yeah, that's a good little hat for you guys.
To start a new chapter, ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open a rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own.
So now I moved on to my microwave, and I had another little hack for you guys, and that's to put vinegar in a bowl and put it on 5 minutes in your microwave, and then take it out and then start cleaning. Everything cleans so much better. So that's a good little trick for you guys if you want to try that out as well.
The ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose that already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human.
So a huge thunderstorm came through and like my power was blinking on and off, so I had to stop for like an hour and a half or so to kind of let it calm back down, and so now I'm just now getting back started doing everything.
My life is nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human after all. At the end of the day, we're only human. We're only human after all. I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off. That's what I told.
So my next little hack for you guys is just hold on to the faucet rather than putting your hands under scalding hot water. Just hold on to that faucet and then you'll know when it's turning hot.
Going back to your old life, not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying highs.
a lot to me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. And I would like to talk to you on my comments, so leave me a comment and I will get back with you as soon as I can. I'll see you later. Bye.